What is a randomized control trial? A randomized control trial is used to evaluate the effectiveness of a chosen intervention. The chosen intervention can range from a new drug developed for diabetes or a certain food impacting a certain disease a certain way. The intervention list is endless and not only pertaining to the medical field. Participants are randomly selected and allocated to either an experimental group or a control group. After the participants are randomly allocated to a group, a measurement test is carried out on both groups prior to any intervention. This is known as a pre-test. Then the experimental group is given the intervention and the control group is given a placebo. To reduce bias, participants do not know which group they are in. To reduce bias even further, the reviewer does not know either. This is known as a double-blinded test. A determined amount of time passes. Some studies have even gone for years. Then finally, after a period of time, another measurement test is given to participants. This is known as the post-test. Thus, any changes in measurements from the experimental group in comparison to the control group can be attributed to the intervention. Now, looking into the evidence primary pyramid, a randomized control trial is ranked average on the hierarchy pyramid. However, it is still first under the second unfiltered information category pertaining to studies. A randomized control study was conducted by the Polish Science National Center to investigate the efficacy of fish oil supplementation on the schizophrenia patients. Participants were divided into two groups, the control and the intervention. A pre-test measurement was conducted, then the control group was given a placebo, and the intervention group was given a fish oil supplementation for 6 months. A post-test measurement was conducted, and the results showed an intervention group had a 50% improvement on the severity of symptoms. In summary, the randomized control trial contains two groups randomly selected and randomly allocated to the experimental group and control group. The outcome of interest is measured in both groups, in the pre-test and post-test. Therefore, any changes can be attributed to the intervention at question. Thank you for listening.